Link is the premier manufacturer of dry disconnect hose couplings that allows for fast, easy, and safe transfer of liquids for the chemical, petrochemical, pharmaceutical, biotechnology, and food industries. Link Couplings can be used anywhere a hose is used to transfer fluids, especially where the fluids are hazardous, toxic, corrosive, or flammable. Fewer internal components create a better flow rate, and smooth bore and simple configuration results in minimal pressure drop, ideal for higher viscosity fluids. Facing discs in the coupler and adapter connect the assembly. The discs swivel to open and close while keeping their faces completely dry. The built-in swivel eases hose alignment, and parts are accessible for easy maintenance. Identical disc halves securely shut off flow in the line, and mechanical interlock prevents accidental openings. The discs are closed and sealed before the coupler and adapter can be separated. The drip-free design minimizes exposure to fluids in the line, eliminates costly cleanups, and offers greater protection for workers and the environment. For a truly drip-free, dry brake coupling, contact Control Devices today.